Now, your Storm Team 20 forecast with Chief Meteorologist Cheryl Lemke.
And good evening, everyone. Hope you had a very Merry Christmas. We start off by checking on our weather guarantee, and cha-ching, we had more money added to our charity this month. The forecast high was 51, but we actually got up to 49, so well within that 3-degree range. So great news for Hospital Sisters Mission Outreach. Our headlines, though, showing that we are gearing up for some really heavy rain, a very heavy rain event coming in for this weekend. Also a major cool down this week, and it's going to be turning so chilly that we might see a few flakes of snow. So winter is going to be trying to make a comeback here in central Illinois. As it stands, though, right now, very quiet Doppler radar sweep. No rain, no snow, nothing to be talking about, at least for the time being. But come tomorrow evening at this very same time, a totally different story. Here's our latest weather setup, and right now high pressure is still camped around the Great Lakes area, providing very quiet, calm conditions so far. But we're watching very closely a storm system to our south, which will start to bow and buckle and lift to the north, and that will be instrumental in our weather for this upcoming weekend. We're going to be seeing very heavy rains moving in, and the National Weather Service has actually prompted a flash flood watch that does encompass most of central Illinois, as you can see, including Springfield, back over towards Taylorville and the Champaign-Urbana area. We're looking at perhaps 2 to 4 inches of rainfall, some spots looking at upwards to 6 inches of rain by the time it's over and done with. At least temperatures, though, not too bad for the time being. We have 30s and 40s out there right now, so definitely grab a coat if you're heading on out tonight. 37 degrees right now for Champaign, 41 for Springfield. Meanwhile, Taylorville at 39. Winds have picked up a little bit, too, over the last few hours. Generally an easterly flow coming in about 10 to 15 miles per hour. So what can we expect for the rest of your holiday weekend? Right now we're sitting high and dry, very quiet for the rest of the evening hours, but through the overnight we start to see increasing cloud cover, and certainly early tomorrow morning the first signs of some scattered showers and thunderstorms bubbling up across the area. That front continues to lift northward, again serving as the focus for these showers and storms. To make matters even worse, too, we have some upper air disturbances moving right along the frontal boundary that'll help to churn up the atmosphere and helping to enhance the rainfall. I think there'll be about a very heavy rains tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, maybe a brief lull by early Sunday morning. Then the rains really start to get revved up once again by Sunday afternoon and Sunday evening. So a very, very soggy scenario. If you're heading back home after this long holiday weekend, please be extra cautious on the roadways. They'll be very wet, very slippery. Just give a lot of space between you and the guy in front of you. Now, by the time we reach Monday, though, especially Monday morning, enough cold air could be wrapping in behind our system that we might see a little wintry mixture as well. So to see a few flakes of snow mixing with that cold rain, don't be surprised to see that, although I'm not really forecasting any appreciable snowfall, but there could be a little wintry mixture involved with it too by the time it's over and done with. So the forecast then for tonight showing mostly cloudy skies as those clouds continue to roll on in, lows eventually bottoming out near 41. Tomorrow, perhaps our last mild day for a while because highs will be up to 53. A very stormy, tumultuous day, though, so watching out for very wet conditions out there. Definitely grab the rain gear. As we look down the road, though, that's when the weather gets really interesting. Look at this big cool down that we're talking about. We could be seeing temperatures again dropping into the upper 20s and lower 30s by the end of the week. So definitely, as we're bringing in the new year, we're going to be starting off on a very, very cold note.
Okay, well, you and I both like football, so it's a good thing there's a lot on TV this weekend.
Yeah, a lot of bowl games going on this weekend, that's for sure.
Stay inside with the rain. Thank you.